How Microsoft Copilot AI can save you time, resources and money. How it can summarize your emails and create emails. How Microsoft Copilot saves you time on follow-ups after every Teams meeting, and how you can use it to create from a Word document a PowerPoint presentation, or with the Copilot app a LinkedIn post including a visual. Hi, my name is Lars Rooy. As a content marketer, creator and AI consultant, I help people and companies to use AI in your advantage. What is Copilot? Copilot is an AI assistant within the Microsoft environment. It helps you to work more productively. Let's start in Microsoft Outlook. Okay, I've gotten an email and now I use Copilot in Outlook to summarize this email. Now it summarized the email, this is real time, and you can see that it's doing a good job of summarizing a long email. Just check them once in a while if it's correct. And on the side you have the Copilot in Outlook dashboard, which you can use to try out certain prompts. You've summarized your email and now you can use Copilot in Outlook to help you to create a email. So here you have some prompts, thank you, or wait for document, or ask for contact, or custom. And when you click custom or slash, you can get this and you can draft an email with Copilot. So here I will write down a prompt and then afterwards I will hit generate. And now we've got an email that's responding on the email that this person has sent me. I will check if it's correct and I'll think that it can be better. So here you can edit the prompt, make it longer, shorter, formal, direct, casual. And in this case, you can also make it a poem. It's creating another one, just checking if this one is better. I asked to have it make it more casual, and let's see if it's shorter is any better. And here I can select which version of the email response I would send to this person. On the right side, you can choose some other prompts that you can use in Outlook. What's your opinion about how AI writes emails for you? In Teams, you can also use Copilot. In this example, I have a meeting and I ask, can you summarize this meeting so far? This was a Dutch meeting, so I'm checking everything and everything is correct. Another thing that you can do, this is after the Teams meeting, I ask Copilot to give me action points for the follow-up. So here you have the action points, you can see them from the person that I was in with the Teams meeting and my action points. And this really helps you to save a lot of time on following up from team meetings. So normally you do it by hand and now you can do it with the help of AI. In recap, you can also find the AI notes, so everything you need. And at the part mentions, you can see who asked who something. So here you see my name and it's very useful if you like to look back in the Teams meeting. Like to kickstart AI in your business? Download these for free. See the link in the description of this video. Copilot is also available in PowerPoint. You can click on it. And then, for example, from a briefing or another document, you can create a PowerPoint. So just ask, create a PowerPoint of this Word document. And it's creating a PowerPoint with the help of AI. Of course, this is not maybe the right setup, but it saves a lot of time for you to write down all the things from the briefing, and here AI already does it for you. I have to say that the design that is created by AI is not my cup of tea, but I think that you can change or start with a template and then you get a better output than this one so far. Okay, here we are in a Copilot app. You can use it like ChatGPT. You have some prompts that you can use for your work. In the chat version, you can put the slash and then documents, the people, files that you like to use, or information from meetings or emails. You can all find it here in the Copilot app, or you can upload something. So this is the dashboard of the Copilot app. You of course can create a LinkedIn post with Copilot. So here I put a prompt in to create a LinkedIn post for LinkedIn about sales. So here are some prompts: make it shorter or personal or give more facts and figures. But I don't like this post, so I asked to create a more Dutch post. And Dutch people are more direct, less drama. So here I've created a new LinkedIn post. I'm not satisfied about it because it's too broad, too general. And I asked to make a new version of the first 2 sentences. And I still would like Copilot to use more storytelling techniques. So here we've created a new LinkedIn post, and this one is much better than the previous output. This of course saves you a lot of time on creating posts for LinkedIn. Copilot can also create images for you. So I've asked, okay, create a picture of people that are working together. Now creating in Designer, in Copilot, visual for me, and this is the result. I work with people, but not in this way, with holding each other's hands. So I'm not satisfied about this output, and I ask again, and it creates all kinds of when I put down relation, it shows me people holding hands, and now I ask make a Polaroid kind of style picture that represents people working together. And here you have it. This is a Polaroid style picture of people working together. When I create images, I look at the hands and the teeth of people, because a lot of time AI they make too many teeth or too many fingers, and I just like to check before I put this online. You need a separate license to use Copilot. This is how Copilot works in Microsoft. Use it in your advantage. It will save you a lot of time. Please like this video or subscribe to the channel or watch this video, which will help you in the world of AI.